Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the Follow Me tool. So I'm working on my freeform where I'm trying out different tools. And one of the requirements of the assignment is you use the Follow Me tool and label it. So I've made a little building here, and I've got like this crown molding I'm going to put around the top of the building. Now you can imagine pretty complicated to draw this shape all the way around the building, but there's this neat tool called the Follow Me tool. So let's go ahead and use that. So click the profile you want to extrude, which is this, and then move the cursor around the desired path. So it goes to there, it goes to there, it goes back to here, goes to this edge, and then I click it when it makes itself. So you can see it's a very fast and efficient way of making yourself a complex profile around a shape. So the assignment asks you to label when you use the Follow Me tool. So let's just show you how to do that. So if you come in and you go to text, and it automatically gives you some sort of dimensions here, but we're just going to change it to use of Follow Me tool. And I guess I did not edit my text enough here, so let's go ahead and just fix that. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thanks.